Hello everyone and welcome back to Vegan with Soul. Today we're going to be cooking with Swiss rainbow chard. Very beautiful. So I'm going to add in 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil with our trio, 2 leaves of sage, rosemary, and thyme. We're going to blend all this together to infuse this fragrance into our oil. And then we're going to add in our Swiss chard. Stir it up very good. Let it wilt a little bit. Yeah, that's colorful. I don't know if you guys been on my Instagram account this morning, but I posted my Swiss chard along with the rainbow that I captured in Greensboro. It's very beautiful. The rainbow was so vibrant, just like this Swiss chard. After the chard has wilted a little bit, we're going to add in 3 cloves of garlic diced. We're going to blend that in, and then we're going to add in 4 cans of cannelloni beans that have been rinsed very, very well. After we toss in our beans, we're going to add 6 cups of water. The first cup has 2 veggie cubes dissolved in it. After we blend that in, the only thing that I'm going to season this with is pepper and Creole seasonings. I love Creole seasoning. I cannot get it out of my life. It is so delicious. But remember when using this seasoning that you do not add salt because it has everything you need to season your dish with. After we stir this up a little bit, we're going to toss in some tomatoes that I rinsed very well because I don't want my broth to be red or cloudy. I want it to be the color of the chard. So I rinsed the beans and the tomatoes very well. After this cooked for another 10 to 15 minutes, it's ready to dish and eat. I will see you guys in a minute. Guys, let's taste this rainbow chard soup.
I'm tasting it first today. Guys, I'm tasting it first today. She always tastes it. I'm tasting it. It's Christmas time.
Okay, taste it first.
So I'm tasting it.
All right, be honest.
Don't worry, I will.
I want to see half of your face.
It's so good.
Is it good?
It really is. Not only it tastes good, but it's good for you.
Yes, it
That's
is.
what I like about it. Really she might not get none. I'm just kidding.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. No, let me have some.
It was very good.
Is it good?
Guys, I just want to watch these tasting. I just want to thank you guys for viewing the videos and watching us and supporting her and what we do.
Yeah.
I'm always behind the scene, which I love doing. I don't like being on this side of the camera, but today I thought I would. Especially I like that soup. It's
like the
good.
soup? You like
I
the
love
soup?
the soup.
This soup is good, guys.
But
it really
the gumbo soup, guys.
Gumbo was unreal.
Gumbo was on it. If you haven't seen that video of her doing the end of the gumbo, you need to go back and check it out. I thought it was hilarious. She dropped that spoon. It was just insane. I was behind the scenes. I said, "What are you doing?" But it turned out really good.
It was so good, though. I mean, it was so tasty that I could not express in words how good it was.
It was
so
really good.
I dropped the spoon, babe. I didn't have a mic. I had a spoon.
That was good. Very good.
That's very delicious. Thank you.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year's. Spend time with your loved ones and your family. And just be in the moment. I know I say that a lot, but be in the moment because you only get one life, one family. Love you guys.
Love you guys.
I'm finishing this bowl. I don't know if you want any more, but yes!